morning, third class children. We are doing workbook. Let us continue workbook, children. Today, page number 22 and 23. Some more additions are there, children. They are 4-digit additions. Look here. 6,584 plus 2,312. So additions are start from ones place. So add first ones place digits. 4 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 how much? 9. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 8,896. Next one. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 how much? 8. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5,188. Next one. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0, 9. If 0 is added to any number, the value doesn't change. The number itself will come. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8,987. Next one. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 how much? 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 6 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9,999. Next one. 6 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 0. 5. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3. 1 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. 1 plus 2 also 3. 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2. Both are equal. So 3,359. Next row. 9 plus 0 how much? 9. 8 plus 1. 8 after 9. 5 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 4 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9,799. Next 2 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. Count 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 0. 8. 7 plus 1. 7 after 8. 8,868. Next 6 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 7,869. 2 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 1. 6 after 7. 1 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. Count 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 5 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Last one. This is a 4-digit number and the second number is 3-digit number only. And first ones place 7 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Here is no number to add, so write it down the thousands place number, that is 9. 9,799. Okay, next, complete the following. Look here children, 700s plus 500s equal to dash thousands dash hundreds. Here you learn some points children in course book. Once recall those. 10 ones means 10 ones equal to 110. 10 tens 100. 10 hundreds 10 hundreds equal to 1000. Now look children, here 7 plus 5, both are hundreds. Add 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 how much? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 hundreds. Here 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds means 10 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. Here 10 hundreds means 1000. So 10 hundreds means 1000 and 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. Okay. Next one. 9 hundreds plus 32 tens equal to dash hundreds dash tens. 32 tens means 30 tens plus 2 tens. Each 10 means 100. So 30 tens means 300s. 10 tens 100. 20 tens 200. 30 tens 300s. So here 32 tens means 300s plus 2 tens. Already here we have 900s. 900s plus 300. 9 plus 3. 9 after 10, 11, 12. So 12 hundreds. Plus how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens. Next one. 19 hundreds plus 12 hundreds equal to dash thousands dash hundreds. Look here children. 19 plus 12. Add 19 plus 12. 9 plus 2. 9 after 10, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 31 hundreds. 31 hundreds. So 30 hundreds means 3000. 30 hundreds means 3000 plus 100. So 3000 plus 100. 3000s plus 100s. Next one. 1600s plus 1800s. Again both are hundreds. Add 16 plus 18. 6 plus 8 how much? Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 34 hundreds. 34 hundreds means 30 hundreds plus 4 hundreds. 30 hundred means 3000s. 3000s plus 4 hundreds. 3000s plus 4 hundreds. Next one. 800s, 16 tens, 150 ones. 150 ones means every 10 months 110. Here how many ones are there? 150 ones. So in 150 ones how many tens are there? 15 ones. 15 tens ones are there. So here 15 tens. 150 ones means 15 tens. 15 tens plus 16 tens. 15 tens plus 16 tens. How many tens? 6 plus 5, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 31 tens. 150 ten ones means 15 tens. 16 tens plus 15 tens. 31 tens. Total how many tens are there? 31 tens. Next 800s. In 31 tens how many hundreds are there? 31 tens means 3 tens plus 1 ten. 30 tens plus 1 ten. 30 tens means 300s. 30 tens means 300s. 300s plus 800. 8 plus 3, 8 after 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 hundreds. And how many tens? 110. How many ones? 0 ones. No ones are there. Next one. 600s plus 18 tens plus 16 ones. First come from ones. 16 ones means 10 ones plus 6 ones. 10 ones plus 6 ones. 10 ones means 110. 10 ones means 110. So how many ones are remaining there? 6. 6 ones. Next 110 plus 18 tens. 110 plus 18 tens how much? 19 tens. Again 19 tens are right like this. 10 plus 9. 10 tens plus 9 tens. 10 tens means 10 tens means 100. 100 plus 9. 9 tens. Here 10 tens means 100 plus 9 tens. So write 9 in tens. Next 100s plus 600s. How much? 700s. Okay children? Hope you understand. Remember these points, then you will do this. Next some more 4-digit additions are here children. Look. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 how much? Take 7 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 is carry forward. 4 is in answer place. Next 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 6 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 3 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6,694. Next 3 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 plus 9, 12. 5 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Next 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9,642. Next 7 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3,469. Like this, you will do these two additions, children. I am going to explain next page. Next page number 23, children. There we have word problems. There are 4 word problems. I wrote 2 here, children. First I will explain these two. After I will tell the remaining 2, children. So first read the first one. In a village, there are 4,093 men and 3,586 women. In a village, there are men and women. They given the number of men and the number of women. Next, what is the total population of the village? What is the total population of village? Total means what we have to do here? Addition. So add these two numbers. Then you will get the total population of village. So these are word problems now. Then you will write steps here. So what number of men and number of women are given here. So write number of men. How many? 4,093. Next, number of women. How many? 3,586. Then we have to find out here total. We should find out total population. Total. Total means addition. So add these two numbers. 3 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 is carry forward. 7 is in answer place. Next 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7,679. So total population of the village is 7,679. So first solution is over. Now next to read the second one. There are 2,560 Hindi books and 5,400 English books in a library. In a library there are Hindi books and English books. How many Hindi books are there? 2,560. And how many English books are there? 5,400. Now they are asking how many books are there in the library? So write the steps. Number of Hindi books. Number of Hindi books. How many books? 2560. Next, number of English books. Five 5,400. Total number of books in the library. Total number of books. Total number of books. If we add these two numbers, then we will get total number of books. Add children. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 4, take 4 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 5, take 5 fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,960. And some more problems are there, children. I will explain. Next one, children. Find the sum of biggest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Find the sum of. Sum means addition. What are those biggest and smallest 4-digit numbers? What is the biggest 4-digit number, children? 9,999. And what is the smallest 4-digit number? 1,000. So write the steps, children. Third solution. Biggest 4-digit number. Is equal to 9,999. Smallest 4-digit number. One thousand. Sum. Addition. Sum means addition. 9 plus 0, 9. Again 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So what is the answer? 10,999. Next, fourth one. Read the sum. A car traveled a distance of 286 kilometers on Monday and 358 kilometers on Tuesday. A car traveled some distance on Monday and on Tuesday. What is the total distance traveled on both these days? What is the total distance? Total means addition. So here you have to add distance traveled by car on Monday and distance traveled by car on Tuesday. So write the steps, children. First write a common step. Distance traveled by a car. Distance is in kilometers. So in which days? On Monday. On Monday, how many kilometers? 286 kilometers. Next, on Tuesday. On Tuesday. day. How many kilometers? 358 kilometers. On both. Distance traveled by a car on both days. So add 6 plus 8. Take 8 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 8 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, 8 after 6, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus